Hi, let's get back.
Bokeh photos.
Today I want to tell you why sunrise photography might be really enjoyable for you and why should you do it. First of all, the colors are just awesome. It helps you kickstart the day, and usually it really works, especially for panos, because you will end up doing something along the line of that. Just fix the exposure. Of course, it had to start raining. This kind of setup, ladies and gentlemen. Now this kind of setup, it doesn't get any better than that. It really doesn't get any better than that. It's that easy to do because the colors are natural. Additionally, usually there is no one there. You got the whole place only for yourself. The colors are awesome. It cannot go wrong. Of course, this is pretty dark, as you can see, and you need to fix the highlights and take the right part of the exposure a little bit down. Just sit down, kick back and relax, enjoy the serenity and calmness of the scene. You can do a time-lapse, you can do a video or a pano if you like. Everything you can think about will be great. Remember about the weather. High cloud, around 40-50% of the coverage of the sky, that would be perfect. And remember to wake up early. Of course, the crucial part is compensate for the highlights, because unfortunately the sky will be very dark and the sun will be very bright. This is an action cam, so it does help a bit, but this is the proper exposure, as you can see here. Of course, additionally, you will be able to take something for your social network. Just wake up, try, and enjoy the morning. All that peace and quiet, you will love it. Bye for now.